Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to secure your Chime account with two-factor authentication. So in order to set up or enable two-factor authenticator on your Chime app, you need to follow the steps. Now you could set up a 2FAQ in a mobile app itself. So you could download the app from the Google Play or your App Store. Then the app generates a time-sensitive code that you need to enter along with your password when you log into your Chime account. Now, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring something in addition to your password to log in. Now, this could be entering a code sent to you by text or email or scanning a QR code. Now, this way you'll be able to secure your account, as well as this is the way you could set up two-factor authentication. So you just have to download the third-party app. You could use a Google Authenticator and enable it to your accounts by going to the settings, and then you'll have to go and basically enable it. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.